What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can take $5 and turn this into $1 million in 5 simple steps. Okay, step 1 is you got to get $5. I don't care if you got to go through your couch cushions, raid your mom's purse, whatever you got to do, get $5. Step 2 is to repeat step 1 every single day of the month. We got $5 for 30 days and we now have $150. Step 3 is investing this $150 a month into the stock market. Now the stock market has averaged 8 to 10% return in its history. We're gonna be using 10% for this scenario. Step 4 is to forget about it and let compound interest do its thing. If we invest $150 a month over a 42-year period and average 10% return, we will have $1,027,618.12. Hashtag millionaire status. Step 5 is to open an investment account with Webull. Because right now, if you deposit $100, they will give you up to 4 free stock, total value up to $3,700. Wow.